Hello, welcome to Shehzad Iqbal English Academy. I am Shehzad Iqbal and you are watching a new video that is in the same row. First of all, we have discussed noun phrases, clauses, then we have discussed what is a phrase, then we discussed what is adjective, and today I am telling you what is a noun phrase. But before that, please subscribe if you didn't, watch whole video and share it with your friends and cousin relatives. I will be thankful. Okay, what is a noun phrase? First of all, we will define it. A noun phrase, it is a phrase which does the work of a noun. A noun is a subject or object of a sentence. So, a noun phrase does the same function. Look, it's very simple. What is a noun phrase? What is a noun? Noun is the name or a pronoun like that. A noun does the function to become subject or object of a sentence. So noun phrase does the same function. It will become the subject or object of a sentence. It will follow a verb. It will be put immediately after a verb, or it will be put before a verb. So we can recognize it very easily. And secondly, as we move subject and object in passive voice, so we will move that noun phrase as well. Okay. How to recognize? There are three ways to recognize or make any sort of noun phrase. There are three ways to make or recognize. The first one is present participle form, ing form of the verb, or you can say gerund. Second is the use of infinitive. It means to plus verb. And the third form is expanded form of a noun, article or adjective with a noun. When there is a noun, so we will put an article, a, an, or the, or an adjective. It will become a subject or object. We will call it a noun phrase. How? I'm telling you. The first one is present participle form, ing form of the verb. These are the examples. Look at this example. The first one, have you enjoyed playing cricket? The subject of this sentence is you. It is a question, so have is put before. It is a main verb, enjoyed, and the object of this sentence is playing cricket. I have colored it. I have made it bold, and it's a colored one. So it means playing cricket is more than one word. So it is a phrase. Which one? It functions like a noun, so it's a noun phrase. Number two, waiting for you tired me a lot. The main verb is tired, object is me. What is the subject of this sentence? The subject of this sentence is not a one word, it is a group of words, and that is waiting for you. So waiting for you is a noun phrase and it becomes a subject of it. Number three, we like living in an open area. We is the subject, like verb. Living in an open area is the object of this sentence and it becomes a noun phrase. Okay, number next is reading this book will increase your knowledge. Increase is a main verb. Your knowledge is an object. Reading this book is a subject of this sentence and it becomes a noun phrase because it functions like a noun. Number next, doing such thing surprises me. This doing such thing is here is a noun phrase because it is a subject. Surprises is a verb and me is the object of this sentence. I stopped thinking about you. I subject, stopped verb. Thinking about you is the object of this sentence as a whole. It is a one unit, so it becomes a noun phrase. Number three, he denies stealing money. He is a subject, denies verb, and stealing money is the object of this sentence, so it becomes a noun phrase. You see in these 6 or 7 examples, we see all of them, these noun phrases, sometimes it becomes subject, some object, and all of them are made of ing form of the verb or present participle form. Moving to the next one, how to make a noun phrase with the help of infinitives. Infinitive is to plus verb, that is called infinitive. Examples are, look at these examples. We wish to speak many languages. The subject of the sentence is wish. We, wish is the verb. What is the object of the sentence? That is a whole phrase, to speak many languages. It functions as a noun, so it means it's a noun phrase. The next one, promises yet to come or has to come again. So promise is a subject, one word is missing, and to come again is the object of this sentence. Number next is I know how to do it. I is the subject, know is the main verb. How to do it is the object of this sentence. It functions like a noun, so it is a noun phrase. Number next is to err is human. To err is a subject, is a main verb. There is no object in this sentence. As you know, object is not necessary all the time. To earn the first place, a subject, Noun phrase, is the main verb, my passion. To wait tires me. Tire is the main verb, object is me, and the subject of this sentence is to wait. So it means we can make as a subject or object these noun phrases. Look, you see, with the help of infinitives, we can make these nouns, these phrases very easily. Moving to the next one, the expanded form of a noun, article or adjective plus verb. There will be main verb in a sentence, and we will put some adjective, some articles, and it will become a noun phrase. And you should know, once again I should remind you that it will be a subject and object. Look at this example. I like an old fashioned hat. I subject, like main verb, and old fashioned hat is the object of this sentence. The recent flood causes heavy damages. The recent flood, flood is the main noun, and recent is adjective with it. The recent flood, noun phrase, causes the main verb, and heavy damages is the object. He, subject, was main verb. An honest, fair, and just businessman. Man is the main noun. Honest, fair, and just businessman has become an adjective with them, so it becomes a noun phrase. An oral presentation, presentation is a noun, and oral presentation is a noun phrase, can be interesting. The decorated room was mine, was is a main verb, room is the main noun. The decorated room, which becomes a subject, and it becomes a noun phrase. He had no common sense. No common sense is the object to some extent, and completion of the sentence, and it becomes a noun phrase. So you see, all of them, they are sometimes a subject, sometimes object. So the function is there. You see everything I told you, that is practical, that you can say whenever you see a phrase, when it becomes a function as a subject object, that will be a noun phrase. I'm 100% sure you have learned everything. If you have any problem, you can ask me. You can put a question, a comment question. You can also follow me on Shehzad Iqbal English Academy on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please share if you liked this video. Wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.